Hello, students. Welcome to yet another tutorial. Excuse me. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use Page Speed Insights. So this tool is one of the tools that you are required to access when you attempting the individual summative submission, where you are conducting a website assessment for YapiChef and you're compiling a report. So as you read through the expectations, you'll see that there are a couple of tools that you need to access. So the first one is Page Speed Insight. So I'm going to use an example of Jumia.com because in the previous weeks we've covered Jumia as an example. So what you want to do is copy the website or the web address as it is and paste it onto your browser. And then once you've done that, then you're going to be doing YapiChef as a case study, not Jumia. So I'm showing you an example of how you go about conducting the insights. Okay. Now, so when we insert the Jumia web address and then we click on analyze, so the first set of results. So you want to choose desktop. So when you look at the first set of results, they look quite good. The website loads quite quickly. So you're not essentially looking at these in insights. So you just want to wait for the diagnosis to take place, and then you'll report on that. So you'll see that on your summative submission, you must provide a detailed analysis of YapiChef's website performance, opportunities of improvement, diagnostic, and past audits. So far, when I look at this particular example, for Jumia, Jumia is a well-designed website because it's got a score of almost 100% in terms of performance. So it's it's a very well-designed website. Everything loads very quickly. In less than 4 seconds, the first set of content may perhaps as unsuspecting user, you would not necessarily see that because all you see is everything appearing at the same time. But from a designer perspective, it's able to tell you that the first thing that loads would be an image, the company's logo, or whatever the case may be. So you can see everything loads in less than a second, almost less than 5 seconds. Okay. When you go down, you'll see opportunities. It'll tell you what opportunities of improvement are there. The images need to load better, so perhaps Jumia needs to look at improving the type of images that they use, maybe the size, because images have also got their own size, and videos. Anything that you load online has got a specific size attached to it, right? There's diagnostics that'll tell you what are some of the issues from a programming perspective, from a development perspective. There's an issue with the document or the naming of the meta tags or the labels, the width and height, or the width and height of some of the images. There's an issue with that. There's an issue of the registers. So it might be when you load the specific categories of products on the Jumia website, there might be an issue around that. So there are many other inputs that you need to look at. There's also past audits. Obviously, the past audits is really what the website is doing very well. So there's very good elimination of render blocking resources. So some of the uploaded content that might be blocking the loading has been eliminated. There's off-screen images, so the images that you don't see on screen, but support in terms of the background, the contrasting, and all of that. The cascading style sheets, which is your CSS, is very minimal. So there are many of these issues that obviously you would look at from a development perspective, but what is mainly required of you for this particular exercise is just to provide a review of YapiChef, because that's the case we're using, and then just explain from a website insights or page speed perspective. What are some of the issues that you picked up, and provide some context around that. So you'll see there's a 5 mark allocation. So hopefully you're able to use this platform. There's no need to register. And if there is a prompt to register, then you just need to cancel and skip that prompt. All right. All the best and good luck.